Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to block AI bot crawler for our website using Cloudflare. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in domain overview. So this is all our domain. Now you see domain overview. So open your domain. So click on it. So we are going to block AI bot crawler for our website. Then on left side you see AI crawl control. Now click on it and then you see crawlers. So again click on it. So we are in AI crawl control and then you see crawler, Apple board, Google board, you see all. Now you see Amazon board and then you see action, allow, block. So you can block all. So click on block and after that Apple board block for your website and this board cannot crawl your website. So you can block according to requirement. So you can block all AI bot crawlers for your website using Cloudflare. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.